What, Peanut?
Can I pick up one?
Wait till that goes. 4th of July fireworks, people. Not the Go Beyond one.
Can you open this? What's in it?
No, don't.
What's in it?
Oh, mosquitoes are attacking me.
Here you go.
Peanut.
Huh?
Sit on the tray.
Do I have to open it?
Yeah.
Wake up if you can see it.
Here. What? They're little ones.
They're little. There's a bunch of them in there.
There's a bunch, Uncle Chris.
They're all of them down.
Hold on, we gotta wait. Uncle Chris.
No,
wait.
give them to me.
Wait. Hold on.
Look at, there's a bunch of little ones. See? Put one down there.
Got a whole box of them?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on to that one then. For another time.
I'm getting 8. These are gonna be so boring, the baby. Okay, I regret it. It tipped. Okay, there was all for that one. And I smell fireworks.
It smells good.
It does not.
Yeah, it does over here. Does it smell?
No, here. That's a light. Oh. Hold on, Owen. That one I think is lame.
Hey,
What?
point it at the air and pull the string.
No,
Yeah.
I don't want to.
No. No, pull the string. Yeah, do it.
I don't want you to.
I'll do it. No, it just shoots out confetti. I'll
No,
do it.
I'm not doing it.
Owen, I'll do it.
Owen, I don't want to.
Look, it shoots out
Okay, guys,
confetti.
quit arguing.
Look, it shoots
Sorry,
out
people.
confetti. It
What
shoots
is
out
these?
confetti.
Ooh, it's
Confetti.
they're poppets. We got poppets. Got poppets, people.
Pop it. Pop it.
Did you guys get it lit? Did you still have, is there still some in there? Okay. Look at it. Ooh, confetti.
Can I have one of them?
This is the last one.
Is that yours? Did you buy them?
No, yeah, I gave.
I gotta pick out the
Where
next
did you
one
buy that?
after this one's done.
Yeah. I gave your dad a whole bunch of them.
Oh, after Helen.
Can I
Hey,
on the table?
Peanut!
No, fireworks.
Stop. Hello, hello.
You guys got less stuff than we
We
had.
had more. We
We
set
have a
some.
whole bag.
We set fireworks.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm filming that on YouTube, which I'm on YouTube right now. Hold on. We're waiting until we're done with ours.
This one's broken.
Well, then that one's broke.
Look, look at this.
Oh, I love that color. That's so pretty.
Oh.
Quit.
Oh my god. You open yours right now?
I'm opening mine after the fireworks. Mosquitoes are attacking. Okay, that's
Not whole bag. How do you do that?
the next one I want. I want this one.
I want this big one.
No, that one.
I know, it's
That's
for last. I want to hold it.
Yeah, right over here. This one is a fuse.
Let me see. Yeah, you're
Maybe
supposed
it's
to
on
light
the other
that.
side.
Maybe it's on the other side.
There you go.
Oh, this is my favorite one, the glitter.
I've never done that. Ooh, I have an idea.
Okay, people, hold on. Our fireworks are gonna go out first. I got my next one, which is this one. That one's gonna be. Guys, stop.
What? You're the
that
one that
one,
came
guys.
Look at.
You guys are at fireworks with us, people.
Oh,
That was lame.
No, it wasn't.
Okay,
I
now
got better ones.
Feel like a proud mother.
here. Where's that one?
Watch this.
Okay, I want to do this.
Watch this one.
So we're gonna do actually this one. Here you go. Can I sit this down? What? Okay, I'll sit this down. Oh God, you scared me.
Who's doing that?
Let you. Stop, Owen.
I want to sit up there now.
Go sit up there.
Are you?
No, because I gotta film.
This is just fun. Oh,
Look at this one. That one's the.
You want to come look at mine?
Owen, don't show your face. And you just did. Oh, that was good. Okay, guys, stop. He's trying to light this one, peeps. Ugh. Some fireworks up in the back. And I still got my poppets with me.
Me too.
Is that one even gonna light?
This is a pop-it piece.
I think people know what poppets is. Because there is hundreds of things going on around here.
And it's this that I just popped in my fingers.
I'm gonna go get more for me.
Poppets?
How much of them do you have?
Not pop.
You good? Okay, you ready?
Yeah. This one, I get back. Wait. Oh, that's red, white. Oh, no, never mind. I thought it was red, white, and blue. Ooh, I gotta get back. What? The Go Beyond ones? Okay. This one, that one was a good one. I liked it. Give him that one. Okay, just set it down on the thing. Sit it down.
That's the last one?
No, we have the Go Beyond one after this one.
Where'd you get
It's on the chair.
it? In the box?
No, it's on the timeout chair. Okay. Okay. Hold on. I put my poppets down. Okay, we're ready.
Go Beyond.
Go Beyond ones after this. Clear.
Didn't say when.
Go. Light it. Please. Light it. I don't know what to say.
Sir, could you please light it?
What?
Didn't say when.
Right now.
What time is it?
It's fine. It's 10:09.
Say when.
Light it at 10:09.
Say when.
When?
There you go.
Oh,
You idiot was.
you trickster. Ooh, I call putting the grand finale ones up there.
Okay.
I already. This one. Okay.
Oh, get away from it.
Whoa.
Grand finale.
These are grand finale ones. Ooh, Owen, get away.
He's fine.
Ooh, okay.
Ooh.
Time for the Go Beyond.
Go Beyond.
Oh, there's
Go
spark.
beyond where?
I'm gonna wait until that spark
Go
goes
beyond
out.
Earth.
That's cool. That's what I'm talking about.
Can I just set this down?
Yes, sit down. Just look up.
Yep.
There you go. Just ready to rock.
Okay, let's get away from this one because I have a feeling.
This ain't gonna be that bad. Ready?
Yep.
Get back.
When? When?
Uh-huh.
Ooh. I have a feeling about this one. Ooh, whoa. Okay. This is my favorite one. Whoa, that's tall. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Can I get a little, like, where Uncle Chris is? Whoa, okay.
Why are you way back there?
'Cause filming.
I got you guys another one.
What? Fireworks? Yeah. Uncle Chris, we got more fireworks coming through. Grand finale. Oh, this one I really love, honestly.
It looks cool.
Owen. Owen, get out! Woo!
Wow!
Did you guys see all the sparklers?
And then there's another one.
Wait, another, what? Let's see what it is.
I haven't brought it.
So, it's this one. So, go put it up there.
Look at all
Okay.
these sparklers.
Holy goo, dude! Wait, is these sparklers?
Yeah, they're all sparklers.
Holy crap, guys! We have like a whole ton.
And just stand back for this way. They
Uncle
go
Chris.
everywhere.
Yeah, you.
Uncle Chris,
Here, hold it.
there's 2 other fireworks in here.
Look at this.
This one goes everywhere. Look.
Shine a light on
Oh my god.
this. Shine a light on it.
So we got all of these sparklers.
Where's the other firework?
Right there. These 2. Oh, those are hot.
Yeah,
Oh, those are the ones we just did.
Them goes in this bucket right here.
Those aren't fireworks.
What is this?
Throw them in the bucket. Throw them in the bucket. Guys, just hold it. Oh, guys.
Are you gonna do all those?
Get, guys,
Hey, are
get
you gonna do
back.
all those?
Okay. Oh my god.
Yeah.
I got more of them though.
You do?
Is my back on fire?
I don't know. I can't see. I don't have a light.
He's doing it.
Hey, Helena, is my back on fire? Okay. Okay.
Turn the light over.
I know. It's on my camera that I turned my light on.
It's underneath all that.
It's underneath the paper, I think. Right? No, I think you're just says
Tear off.
tear off.
Tear off. It's right there. The thing's right here.
Just I'm reading it. Trying to.
Tear off right here.
Are there?
The wick's right there.
Yeah, that's where the wick is.
Yeah.
That's what my dad said.
Okay, let's get back.
This thing's gonna go crazy. Just so you know.
Are we gonna be okay back here?
Yeah.
All the way up here?
Yeah, you'll be fine.
Let me sit right here.
Excuse me. I'm standing back here. Owen, come on, get back here.
Here,
No,
I'm gonna take this.
no, don't touch it. Do you need the light? Okay, get back. Are we gonna be fine up here? Oh, there's so many fireworks going on. Uncle Chris, get back.
Yeah, do that.
This one. Whoa, oh my god.
That'll wake your dad up.
Probably. Yeah, he is. Is that all? Guys, I didn't film that part because that really scared me. So I went under the...
Oh, yeah, I did.
So we're gonna head over here, okay?
Looking for all them sparklers.
Could I go over there with them? Okay.
We're going down.
Okay. Oh, got it, get it. There. Is there any more fireworks? Are we gonna be okay over here? This one I like too. don't feel safe back there. I'm over here! What are you doing? Are they sparklers? Helena! I'm Go. Grab him! Helena, hurry up!
Hey, it's my turn for mine. Rockets. Who wants to see rockets go up?
Will they hurt us?
One of these long ones. I'm gonna.
Will they hurt us?
What, these?
Yeah.
No.
Are we safe over there with them? Are we gonna be okay right here?
Hey, do you want one of these?
No, I'm fine.
I do.
filming.
Okay.
So guys, I am super. Oh my god.
Scary.
These are scary. So guys, I am dripping down sweat off my face.
Hey, I did that here.
I was dripping sweat down my face because of how scared I was.
You see that? That pretty?
Sparklers.
It was scary.
You gotta keep moving
Yeah.
Sparklers.
You gotta.
So I kept
Oh, you took
Moving-
pictures of it?
video.
Yeah, did a video.
This is rainbow.
Don't come towards us.
Ooh, I love these. Cracking salts.
This is the 4th of July, I guess, time. And there's a lot of smoke.
Can I like this?
Guys, what about these rocket things?
What?
Did you just like
The rockets.
Like them?
Oh, okay.
Not yet.
I want to like this thing.
I went. This one's all gone.
Wait, ask your dad.
Dad, can I like this?
Okay. Right there and throw it in the road. Wait, hey. Throw it out there in the grass.
Try to make it across.
Toss it.
Watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, okay. Move. Get back. Get back.
Can I do it?
That scared me.
Right here.
Look
Right
at
here.
Pop it.
They're right here.
Wait, those are
Guys,
pockets?
they're right here.
Hey, look at these.
What are they?
You pulled a string.
No, those. I don't care about those. These are cute. Cool. Ow. Hi.
It went blue, guys. Went blue, and it's so panty.
What you got up there? A bunch of sparklers?
Yeah. Look how long these ones are.
Did you pop this?
Look at these ones. I like these ones.
Sparklers.
Daddy, look at these ones. Look
Guys,
at.
go sparklers crazy. Why?
So dried out.
I'm gonna get two.
Scared me.
Thirsty all day. The sun got to you, didn't it, when it burnt you two boys? Three? The sunburn right now.
That's mine.
Yeah. Here you go, Ivan. It's right here for you.
Why did you do it on the ground right there?
Don't step on it.
Guys, how are we supposed to put that out? Oh, never mind.
I'm a spark. Don't step over there. I'm a spark thrower. Which one went out?
Definitely get rid of them fuckers.
Sorry for any background noise from the F word and stuff. Oh! You just...
Aren't you gonna light me sparklers on?
Maybe in a second.